I've got 5 homes around the world, and this is certainly the biggest. Not bad for a rough-house Scots git from Glasgow, really, you know, but there you go.
Doug was a chartered accountant, but he's built an empire after setting up his own private equity company. And with millions in the bank, Doug, who's separated, has created the ultimate in bachelor pads in his main home.
I think all guys are children at heart, really. We still like to enjoy life and do the things we did as younger men, you know, whether it's play pool, whether it's hang out with your friends playing cards, or just have a good night out, really. I think it's all part of the package, isn't it?